Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So first of all, there was a software update of the February 1st, 2024 security patch, but there is another update also available that you guys can check out. And to check that update, you will have to go into your about phone, then software information, then Google Play system update. From here, you will get to see that the Google Play System update is on the 1st October 2024, and you will get to see some new Google Play System update, and the latest one is of 1st January 2025. So you will have to simply download that update, then you will have to install that update. But keep in mind, you will have to install that update when your device is completely free, as the installation process might take a while. This similar update was also available on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra of the January 1st, 2025. So this is the latest Google Play System update of the January 1st, 2025 that you guys will get on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So check out this new update, and sadly there is no One UI 7 official update yet on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the beta testing of the Android 16 is already going on the Google Pixel devices, and we are still waiting for the official release of the Android 15 update on the older devices of the Samsung S24. So let's hope that we will get to see the new update of the Android 15 on the S24 series really soon. And that's all for today's video. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.